left to get a better look at that pitch away. But he stays way inside.
And Walker to center field. Get down. It does. And McCutchen will score. And the Pirates lead it 5-4.
Clutch hit from Neil Walker. 2 in 2 nights here in San Francisco.
That's his 20th RBI.
He's going to continue to accumulate RBIs once he's in the middle of this lineup. That fastball right down the middle. I don't know why Petit wouldn't throw another pitch 6 or 8 inches off the plate like he did on the 3-1 pitch.